things are driving me mad. Large objects, over 100 kilograms. Manual installation is impossible. But so what? There are always more solutions than difficulties. Installing batteries with forklift. Practice makes perfect. Hello guys, welcome to Bluesun's installation site of the new standard solution, 50 kilowatts all-in-one cabinet. The inverter and batteries are all integrated into this cabinet. How incredible it looks, and even more incredible is that all installation and testing work will be finished in 1 hour. Are you ready? Let's go!
Ready, go!
The forklift is ready. They will install the battery first. The weight of each battery is 120 kilograms. Looks perfect. We can see how convenient the battery installation is. All batteries have been installed less than 25 minutes. How skillful they are! The battery wiring is easy to connect. Only 3 minutes, they are done. All battery cables have been connected. Next step, they will hang on the inverter. The weight of this inverter is 45 kilograms. Forklift operator, perfect operation. They proved they're skillful. How fast? Wow, that was an electric fan play. Only 5 minutes, they're done. Here we go. They're connecting wires between inverter and batteries. Professional guys. The connection is very easy. Everything going well. Wow, less than 45 minutes. Now all works have been done successfully. Good job. Bluesun new standard solution, all in one. Perfect.